Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Aesthetic Tales. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Let's get started. Ingredients required to prepare deviled shrimps. Now I'll marinate these shrimps with soy sauce, salt, turmeric, black pepper, and corn flour. I'll mix all the ingredients with the shrimps. Now I'll heat a wok with refined oil and gently place those shrimps and fry them lightly. Don't forget to stir them in between. Take out in a bowl and leave the excess oil behind. Add julienned garlic, curry leaves, and chopped ginger in that oil which you left. Add onions and then stir and cover it with a lid for a minute. Now add all the veggies now. Add 1 teaspoon salt, stir it and cover it. Now add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri Red chili powder. Add chopped red chillies. Now for the sauce, add 1 tablespoon ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and water as you require to mix it for the sauce. Mix it and add it in the wok. Cover and cook it for 5 minutes. Add half teaspoon sugar. Add coriander and fried shrimps now. Stir and cover and cook it for 5 minutes. Add soy sauce and curry leaves now. Cover it with a lid, switch off and keep it for 10 minutes. Your deviled shrimps is ready. It tastes best with fried rice. Thanks for watching. Bye.